How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Bambu Lab AMS won't read RFID filament. So if your Bambu Lab AMS isn't reading the RFID filament, the issue is usually caused by a jam spool, a disabled setting, or a software glitch. Now, the first thing that I recommend in order to fix this is to power cycle the printer and AMS. So you want to turn off the printer using the power on the switch at the back, which is going to be this one. Wait for around 10 seconds and then turn it back on and allow the system to initialize. From there, we could also try to force a manual reread. So sometimes the AMS doesn't register the RFID tag when a spool is initially dropped in. So you can manually force the system to scan it. So it's going to look something like this via the Bambu Studio. So just go ahead and open up Bambu Studio. You then want to simply open up the device options and make sure inside device, you then want to tap on the options right here, which is to refresh the spools. Now, you could also try flipping the spools, and then you want to check for physical jams. So ensure that you are using the unofficial Bambu Lab spool. Third-party filament spool do not have RFID tags. And then lastly, I suggest to go ahead and check the RFID read settings. So basically, you will be able to do this on your printer screen or in the slicer. You just want to go through the AMS setting, and then from there, you want to make sure that you verify that the read filament on startup is toggled on, and from there you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.